If you have to ask any question, first log in with your names so that I can answer your question. I can't answer like you Samsung do this, you Redmi do this, right? You must have a general common sense to log in with your names first to address you and ask to tell you about your questions. Huh? Okay, let's see. So already we discussed in the last session about how to handle validations in AngularJS. What are input state validations, form state validations, how we can verify them. One basic example I given to you. So remember, in UI technologies, you are learning AngularJS. That means you are not learning complete AngularJS, but I given you majority of important things in AngularJS, right? Whatever needed, because our concept is UI technologies. In that, how AngularJS helps you. Because individually, AngularJS itself takes 2 months to learn. People learn AngularJS. A lot of topics are there inside it. We learned how it is useful and what topics are needed for our UI technology. Use it in your UI technologies to build good applications, but people have to learn AngularJS, React.js in detail. Now some people ask question, sir, will you teach single page application also? You learned Angular means it is single page application. Now don't joke about that, right? So you learned Angular. I told you AngularJS is used for building single page application, and I showed you routing where interactions without reloading the complete page. So today, as I already told you about the concepts that we are going to discuss in the UI. Actually, UI, these are the basics of UI. These are all UI concepts. I'm giving you an overview of how to handle end-to-end application with the database, with server-side technology. So one overview I will give you. So for that, we have to understand about stack. That means you learned UI, but in real world development process, UI technologies are used with server side technologies like Java, .NET, PHP, Python, and all, JS and all. So we are going to learn a simple overview of how we can build an end-to-end application. So that means how to use database, how to use a server-side technology. I am not teaching any databases, server-side technologies detailedly here. That is not this class concept. This class is only UI, right? Even you are not learning full stack, right? This is not full stack class. This is UI class. But still, I am explaining you some important things which are for developing end-to-end application. So what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn today how to deal with a database, MongoDB. So that means we will learn how to use meme stack. mean stack with UI. Mean stack with UI, that means along with UI, mean stack. Actually, mean stack with UI means people call it as full stack. When people are learning full stack, they have to learn MongoDB, AngularJS, Node.js detailedly. In our UI technologies, major concepts are JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS. I give an overview of AngularJS also, and I am giving now overview of simple mean stack application. What is mean stack? M is for MongoDB. Actually, what is MongoDB? So MongoDB is a database. MongoDB is a database, and E stands for Express. Express is a middleware. And A stands for Angular. Angular, and here we are using AngularJS, right? That means this is client side, and N stands for Node.js, and this is server side. Now people can use several other databases also, like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server. People can use different middlewares, not only Express. People can use client side JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, JS, anything. And server side technology also can be anything. Server side technology can be anything means it can be like Node.js, PHP, Java, .NET, JSP, ASP.NET. You can use any one of them, right? So that is all for the people who are learning those technologies. What we are going to learn is whatever we have learned. But for that, we need some basics of MongoDB, which is database, Node.js, and Express with integration of Angular. Let's see one simple one. That means we will try to build a small project like a small application like we will try to design a small project like, right, with combination of this stack with CSS knowledge. We will try to build an application with whatever we have learned. So for example, I will give you an overview of a sample project, what we are going to learn actually. So let's take a project and develop that project with all these combination. So for that, I will give you a simple IEEE project. So we will see an IEEE project. And we will try to do that project with whatever knowledge we have. So let's go to IEEE official website. Actually, IEEE, engineers community na. So IEEE official website. You know how to get projects from IEEE? If don't know, then see. That means how to get project abstract, how to design projects. So we will see, right? We will discuss about that. Actually, so we will first see the project, and we will try to build that with whatever we have learned till now, so that everything will be inside it. So let's see. Actually, to design this application, what we have to do is go to the IEEE official website. The process I will tell you. Means how we can get the projects. So in our presentations, suppose I have This is actually the IEEE official site. Actually, this is the IEEE official site. So this is the IEEE official site. Yeah, this is the IEEE official site. This is IEEE official site. So how we can get a project from IEEE? This is the IEEE official site. IEEE official site. You can open this IEEE official page. So that means how we can get an IEEE project. First, what you have to do is visit this URL. This URL. You can visit that URL. That is the IEEE official location. This is IEEE official website, and this is IEEE official location. Here you can build an application. That means you can search for project. So a project. So we will search for a project here. Suppose I will search for a project. Remember, it contains lot of domains, right? Lot of domains, web projects, even embedded projects. So many will be there. So usually you search for a project. Suppose we will search for a project iShop. iShop is a project. You can see iShop. iShop. Let's go and search here correctly. Yeah, iShop is a project. And you can see some projects. Advanced, I think the name iShop. Okay, you can see there are some results. Some results means we are searching for a project, and you see there is a project iShop. iShop shopping application, right? And this is a project abstract actually, and this is a different project. One more, that means we will look for project which is suitable for our UI technologies, because so many projects will be there. Even artificial intelligence projects also will be there. Suppose I said I shop online. So I have a specific project name, right? Yeah. So you can see this is one project. This is iShop, a model for smart shopping. Yeah. Let's take this one. This project. This is a project, and yeah, this is a project. Okay. You can see the project abstract. That means this is the project. Generally, how we use this website, this is for projects. If you are any graduate, you know how to get the projects, right? Generally, we have to get the projects and abstracts. According to that, we need to build them. Actually, this is an online shopping, and this online shopping, this is the project. I will give you that document ID also, so that you can directly go to that project, right? So So this is the ID. So go to, this is visit the project, visit the iShop. Actually this is the iShop documentation. This is iShop documentation. So iShop project documentation, project abstract. Actually this is project abstract. You visit that abstract. Yeah, here you will get the abstract, but we need detail about that project. If you need detail about project, what you have to do is, you, here they give an abstract because IEEE is a paid source, it's not free. You have to have a membership inside it. So then what you can do is, you can copy this document number. You see there is a DOI number. DOI number. In this, they will sign in, continue reading about this project. But remember, this is a paid source. You cannot easily log in. Even you sign up, you have to pay money for that. That's the reason what we will do is, we will copy DOI number. We will copy the DOI number. Okay. And through another technique, what you can do is, you can get that project documentation. Officially they will not give, but we can hack it. For that, what you have to do is copy the DOI number. So that means you have to copy DOI number of project. Copy the DOI number of project. Then what you have to do is visit a website called sci.hub.ci, right? SCI, some SCI hub. Actually, that is to hack our document. SCI hub, actually. SCI hub. It will be changing actually. This is SCI hub. This is SCI hub. So this is the one you have to do. That is, this is the website you have to visit. Now in this website, actually this is not official. This is unofficial. You are hacking that document because you have to purchase. Without that, we are doing it. So go to this SCI hub. Here you paste that DOI number. The DOI number we copied. This is DOI number. Copy the DOI number and paste that DOI number. You paste that DOI number here and click on open button. Then you can see that documentation will open here. This is the project documentation. This is the project documentation. It contains all five pages, including the model, architecture of the project, how the project should flow, what are the modules inside the project. This is the documentation. This is the documentation. Right? Now, what you have to do is, in this document you can download. There is a download option. You download that document. Let's download onto the desktop. And I will give the name as iShop documentation document. Okay, iShop document, a PDF document we downloaded. Now what a developer should do is, a developer should able to read this document and understand various things in this document. Now I will give you this as a task. Let's see by tomorrow how many of you can do by yourself. What you have to do is, you have to visit this site, paste the DOI number. I will not upload that PDF document. You do by yourself, right? I will not upload that PDF document I downloaded. You practice by yourself. Okay. So paste the DOI number and click open. So then what you have to do is download download the PDF document. Actually, do you know that is called as base paper? Project have a base paper. You have to download that base paper. Now actually, this is an online shopping cart website. We will design this online shopping cart website, but for that we need a database, we need a server side technology and all. So simply people who join UI technologies, they will ask, sir, at the end will you teach a project? That is seriously joking, right? What, by learning UI technologies you can build a project? For that you need server side technologies, databases, so many things are there. After all, after learning HTML, CSS also, some people ask, sir, by the end of HTML, CSS, will you teach a project? Right? So these are all silly things without properly knowing the question are asked. So how you can build a project? Project means an end-to-end, right? You are learning, and UI technology means you are restricted only for user interface. If you want to become an end-to-end developer, you should learn server side, you should learn database. No? But still, with basic knowledge, we can build it. That's what we are discussing here. So I am giving you a basic overview of server side and database also, so that you can build this project. But our main concentration will be user interface, UI, right? How this project actually looks like, let's see. That means this is the project we downloaded. What is your work? I will tell you. You have to do that work, right? So what is your work is, so what is your task? Your task is read the project documentation. After reading project documentation, prepare an MS Word document. Prepare an MS Word document, means a project document in MS Word, not Notepad or anything. Prepare a MS Word document. So, and our project name is iShop. Project name is iShop. That is our iShop project. What you have to do is read the complete project documentation, and in the MS Word document, prepare the following topics. What are the topics you need to prepare? First topic is abstract. That means read this PDF document. In this PDF document, you will find an abstract. And see, here abstract is there. You can see the PDF document is having abstract. This abstract is there. Now, you read this entire abstract and prepare an abstract by yourself, which should be only 3 lines, not more than 3 lines. Understood? That means you have to prepare an abstract, and don't write copy and paste all this. So in your MS Word document, you have to prepare an abstract, and the abstract, it can be max 4 lines, a paragraph, a simple paragraph. It cannot be more than 4 lines, a small abstract. That means you read it and you write the abstract. And next point, after abstract, means I am telling the order in MS Word document what you have to keep. After the abstract, what you have to do is you have to prepare. I already have some document for that. I will show you. So I will see how much you can able to handle that, right? You prepare an abstract for that. After preparing, I am showing you a sample document like this. You have to prepare, right? And in this, what you have to do is, what are the basic things we need to do is, after abstract, you have to write existing system, existing system, and proposed system. What is existing system? Existing system means without this project, without this project, how generally shopping happens, how generally shopping happens, shopping happens, that you have to write. That also you can read in the document. In the document only it is available, right? And proposed system means, so what are the advantages of designing this? That means, so with this project, how benefited benefited. So you have to prepare an abstract, you have to write existing system, you have to write proposed system, and you have to write the modules in this project. So modules in this project. That means in that project, how many modules are there? You have to identify them. That also present in PDF document. In this document, everything is there. Only the point is you have to read this document. After reading the document, you have to prepare these topics and bring. You have to prepare these documents and bring. So abstract, existing system, proposed system, and the modules. First, you need to prepare this. So how to get that project document? You understood. The process entirely I am giving here, right? You have to download that, read this document, and prepare this and design an MS Word document. So after designing this MS Word document, we will design a project according to this. We will design a project according to this. We will see how that project looks like. Actually, they given the project related. Yeah, the project related URL also. Actually, that project URL is this. This is the project URL. So this is the project URL. This is iShop. This what is they are having some more inside it. iShop 2016 I-lab. Yeah, this is the project sample. This is the project sample. You click on that site. iShop site is available. So iShop site available. iShop site available. You can see this is the shopping site. This is what we have to design according to project. And in this, observe left side category, manufacturers, quick find, what's new, and products information will be here. Right side we have some more best sellers, and important is if I click baby products, then it will get those baby products and show. Understood? If I select here, suppose manufacture like Golden Harvest, and from that manufacture which product is there, it will get. I can even find. So I can even find, suppose fruits, and I click on search button. It has to get the fruits. That means there is no fruits actually. Some apple. Okay, apple. So I search for that apple. Then it has to show that apple. Understood? Right side, grapes. I click on that, then it should get that. And based on that, I need to give the suggestion that people also this, they brought these also, like that. And see, add to cart button. If you remembered, we done this type of shopping cart with general JavaScript also, adding items into shopping cart, preparing a shopping cart, add to cart, it will get a shopping cart. And here how many quantity, you have to define the quantity and update, and the quantity updated, bill summary is updated. And payment you can ignore because payment requires lot of things to integrate, right? So checkout, then it has to ask the email address and password so that they can enter, and they can complete the payment process. That's not required for us. So for that you need complete business oriented server side technology knowledge, right? So registration form, login form, that also we have to server side technology, right? Here, this is enough. I click on cart contents, then it will show the shopping cart contents. My account, it will show your account related details. This is a sample project. Remember, it is a IEEE project. That means if you can develop this project, you can even submit as an academic project. Academic project with web based. Actually, this project is using backend Photoshop, PHP, and it is using MySQL database. We will use Node.js and MongoDB, right? Client side HTML, CSS, AngularJS. We will use AngularJS with CSS and HTML and little bit of JavaScript, jQuery also we can use inside this. If we can create like this, that means actually we have to create more better than this. Like why? Because you can create a shopping cart like website. So with all the design we can make more better because already we learned now. So we can put carousels, we can put banners, so we can put advertisements, and we can design more screen. But functionality should be this. UI you can make better, but functionality should be this. So I will give you a guidance of how to prepare this project, how to create database, how to write the logic to communicate with database, bring and display. For that we need Ajax calls. From AngularJS we will design everything with HTML, CSS integration also. So for this project we have to do. In this project, so once you do this by yourself, then it's good. That means you have a good knowledge of everything what you learn. So with that, we can finish our UI technologies. In that, I will tell you some advanced things what we haven't yet discussed. Some advanced things in HTML and CSS, how to make them responsive, mobile based. Those basics also I will tell you so that we can finish UI technologies, right? But important is now from today onwards, when we are working with this project, everyone should prepare the work and come with the designs, right? That means you have to prepare a document with this. You have to do this work and bring, right? Then we can start designing this. How to design this project, we will start, right? First, you have to prepare these and come. Abstract, existing system, proposal system, and what modules. You read the documentation and you have to prepare a MS Word document, right? I hope everyone can try this, everyone can do this. So tomorrow I will ask each and everyone who is attending the class, you have to submit the Word document, and the document should contain this. And if anyone is not doing that, I will simply send them out of the class sessions, right? I will allow only the people who done this task from tomorrow, right? I will verify first each and everyone individually, and this Sunday also we will have a session. Sunday we will conduct a session. we will spend more time on Sunday, and by Sunday we will try to finish this project. Okay, so by Sunday we will spend more time and finish this project. But in order to attend sessions from tomorrow, first you have to design this and send me. First design this and keep with you. Tomorrow I will ask each and everyone individually. Then if you are not doing, I will simply send out of that sessions. If you have done, then you will continue with our sessions. Okay, so I am concluding the class today. This is your work for tomorrow, and you have to bring this so that we can start the project on this. We will start building this application from tomorrow. This project we will do, and this is a complete IEEE project. I showed you from the official IEEE site itself, right? So if you can do this, that's very good, right? We will design our own UI interface. We will prepare and handle that. Okay, by tomorrow you do this and come, and tomorrow we will start the project. Okay, today is enough, and this is tomorrow's session. And tomorrow also I will first verify what you have designed, the abstract, everything. I will see what you have designed. Then I will continue with the designing of the project. And remember, I will not design everything. I will give you tasks. I will give you design. You have to design that screen and come. I will just give you an overview of how to design them. Database integration, everything we will discuss about that. Okay, then today enough. Let's meet tomorrow. You will not be allowed to the class. Okay, thank you. I will upload this document into the GitHub now. You prepare this documentation and come tomorrow. I will tell you where to upload tomorrow, and tomorrow I will verify everyone in the class. Then only you are allowed to the next session. Okay, thank you.